Good morning, beautiful people. It's day 52 of the camper pod build. Let me show you something. That's the cleanest I've seen my desk in months. Spent some time yesterday cleaning everything up, putting everything away that I'm not using immediately. Probably get messy again soon enough. Anyway, this is what we're using. DAP 100% silicone, indoor, outdoor. We've used this on other projects. We find it works pretty well. So I'm just going to go around on all the edges in here. Caulk all of them, get some caulk in there on all the edges to help with sealing it up. And another thing that I'm going to do is take these blocks out of here because I couldn't get in here to trim this up yesterday. I have to trim that up with a knife. It won't be as pretty, but it'll be done. So I can caulk it and do the same thing with the other side. And right across the front here, once we get some more work done, we're going to figure out, we're going to have to put a piece of metal across here, very similar to the roof, to hold it in place so that, yeah, basically to hold it in place. You know what, let's get working. Kind of looks cleaner already. I just replaced a couple of Craig screws with a little bit of extra support behind, just to hold it in place, allow me to trim the corners. I also put a longer piece of wood here that actually overlaps these two seams. Now I'll get a blade and trim this little edge. Yeah, that's going to be a pain in the butt, but yeah, got to be done. Oh, my desk is getting messy already. Doesn't take long, does it? I've got the gun all ready to go. Went around and took a look at all the seams. They all seem pretty clear. I'm figuring, might as well just start at the top and then work my way down the sides and then do the bottom last. I guess that's one of the ways I can do it. Yeah, that's the way I'll do it. I'll start at the top and work my way around. I've got both upper edges done. I didn't show you much caulking doing it because you've all done caulking and it's not a super exciting job. And going behind with a piece of wood, a block of wood, to clean up any excess. I'll show you now. I have a very thin piece of wood here, and I basically say been running that just along the upper edge and then picking up gobs and then scraping it off on that. So I haven't been taking any out of the seams, just any excess, because there's going to be molding going up there. So I've got the big seams done. Now it's just I guess everything else. I'm not going to do these until I go to install the doors. I'll just wait for that. Yeah, how would it look for 10 minutes of this? End of day 52. I didn't really expect to be out here all that long. I've been here about 4.5 hours caulking. Crazy. But I guess you got to do that in order to, you know, not make a mess. I use these little blocks of wood to scrape off some extra caulking to make it look a little tidy, and I used the extra pieces in some gaps that were a little bit larger than normal. Used about 2.5 of caulking. I have the tube and a third of caulking. I have the caulking put in this airtight coffee bag, so I can use it for next time. But that's it. Next step, might be looking at doing some trim, maybe. But that's it for day 52. Oh, forgot to show you this little tool. My wife picked this up somewhere online. Is a caulking tool. What I found this neat is that, well, with inside corners, I could scoop it along and then do that, and all the caulking will come out on the end there. Pretty neat. I don't know how much you paid for this. Too bad it wasn't one for outside, because I had more outside corners than I did inside. The only inside corner I had was down here. But that's it. End of day 52. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.